YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix Birdfy camera offline in the app, reconnect and get camera back on. So guys, sometimes the camera lose the communication. So first thing is guys, hard reboot the camera. Sometimes the camera lose the communication with your Wi-Fi and need to be physically restarted. So guys, you use the ejector pin that came with your device to press the reboot button. Okay, and wait 1 to 2 minutes to see if it is reconnects automatically. If your camera is easily accessed, then turn it off completely and wait about a minute and turn it back on. After that guys, check the battery. So guys, Birdfy camera may drop their Wi-Fi connection when the battery gets critically low. So take the camera indoor and charge it completely and using a USB-C cable. Once fully charged, mount it back in the place and turn the power switch to back on. Another thing is guys, verify Wi-Fi frequency. So Birdfy devices only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. This will fails to connect or go offline if try to pair with 5 GHz network. And guys, make sure your smartphone is connected to your 2.4 GHz home network when troubleshooting. Then guys, improve the router's range. Because the camera is placed outside a bird feeder, a weak Wi-Fi signal is the most common cause of going it offline. So move the bird feeder closer to your house to test this common connection stability improve. Adjust the antenna on the Birdfy camera to point directly at your home router. Consider adding a Wi-Fi extender or mesh node near the backyard to strengthen the signal. Then if the camera remain offline, the easiest fix is to completely unpair and set up a new device and factory reset and repair. So for this, open your Birdfy app, delete your device, factory reset and confirm. Press and hold the power button for the 3 seconds to turn the camera on. Double press the button to enter the Wi-Fi configuration mode and open your Birdfy Lover app to plus add icon and select your camera module and follow the on-screen prompts to scan the QR code. So these are the things that you can try, and guys, thank you and have a nice day.